Are you looking for the best quality women's denim printed Capri leggings? If yes, then a surprise is waiting for you. Now our Hibaly Inc. have a huge leggings collection. J.ann women's Denim-Like printed Capri leggings, which is comfortable, super soft, and durable, comfortable support for any weather. These leggings are excellent for fitting and it have 4 pockets. Our leggings will match perfectly with your top, bodysuit, boots, outfits or any costumes. These leggings are made with 85% polyester, 15% spandex, and other premium materials, so these high-quality leggings feel great to wear. These leggings are the perfect for yoga, running, cycling, working out, or casual wear. It's a perfect gift on Valentine's Day, Anniversary Day, birthday or other special days. So why are you waiting? To buy, please visit us, www.Hibaly.com J.ann.